Okay, welcome back everyone to Punlok Engineer channel. Today I'm very excited that I have the time for introduction all of you about the relay burning. There is so many questions that connected with the why is the relay burning like this. So someone called the relay is starting burning out or relay starting burning with many times that the contact of the supply for the relay starting working so many times in an hour. Yes. Before we come back to the topic why is relay burning out, please come to subscribe on my channel Punlok Engineer for get more knowledge about electrical and electronic of engineering knowledge. Yes. Let's start with me with the topic today. Yes, I will show you about the relay burning out. So this one you will see about the relay that using with the direct current. The input of the relay is 24 volts DC. So this is the contact of the relay that is work many times in an hour. Why is it burning out like this? So many questions. I will answer you back. Why is relay burning out? Yes. I will show you many pictures that connected with the relay that has the burning out with the different photos. Yes. This one is the cover of the relay that burning out from the contact input number 13 and 14, the supply income of the relay. Yes, see more of it. Yes, this one. Okay, I do some more. I will show by the picture anymore. Yes, okay, this one is a relay module that we use with the electronic wire or we use with the extra low voltage for control on everything that we want, and we use also with the contact NO and NC for exchange some function that we can use. And also the module relay is have input plus and minus. តើតនឹង relay នេះខ្ញុំសូមបង្ហាញប្រធានបទពីថ្ងៃនេះគឺខ្ញុំចង់លើកយកប្រធានបទទៅ relay ដែលវាធ្វើការយូរហើយវាបង្កទៅជាការឆាបឆេះឬក៏វាឆេះខ្លោចទៅលើជើងនឹង magnetic របស់វាឬក៏ជើងបញ្ជានឹងឯងដែលវាគឺទៅជើង contact របស់វាដែលមានជើង input ដែលមាន plus ហើយនៅ minus ហ្នឹងគឺជាជើងមួយដែលយើងប្រើសម្រាប់ភ្ជាប់ភ្លើងពីប្រភពដែលប្រភពមួយជា DC និង នឹង AC ហើយ relay គឺវាមានពីប្រភពនេះក្នុងការដើរហើយក្នុង relay ក៏វាបែងចែកទៅពីប្រភេទដែរប្រភេទទេណា DC នឹងឯងនឹងនិយាយហើយចំពោះ relay នេះគឺវាមានប៉ាឆេះនៅផ្នែកខាងក្នុងរបស់វា that was burning out from inside of the cover that affected the magnetic input of the relay module that affect when we use a lot in 1 hour. It's too many times. Yes. I will show more about the picture. Yes, and this one is already broken already. You can see it's broken the magnetic coil inside the relay module. It was affected by using too much in an hour. Like I mean, when you use a lot in an hour. 1 hour it will affect like this, or short current or just with the different input of the voltage input with the AC. Like example I mean when you use the relay module, the input is only 5 volt DC, but you use it with the AC alternating current, it will affect like this. It will burn the magnetic coil inside the relay. It will affect and burning like this. Someone called burning out. Okay, let me discuss some. It will interrupt you. Okay. I will show you more about the picture that affect with my relay. too much grass. Power and then maybe grab anything. Yes, let's go with me. I will show you about the relay that burning like this. See, you see the contact input of the relay. And this one is contact input of the relay also. This one is number 13, and this one is number 14, where the input of VDC. Input, yes. VC, yes. Why is it burning out like this? That is the great question in the world that all electricians or electrical engineering or they ask to somebody why is it burning out like this. I will show all of you why is it burning. So the answer is of the relay that burning, because the first of relay burning, one, the relay burning by the using it. I mean you use a lot of the relay that close and open, close, open, close many times. That made the contact is still like this. Yes, the contact I mean the contact supply for the relay will be load up, the load connect, disconnect, load connect, disconnect, load connect, disconnect so many times in an hour or 2 hours. It will affect like this, it will burning like this, burning out. Yes, I will show you more about relay burning. Yes, the following tests are post probably is overtake or overtake. It applied to the coil. The coil will be affected with the high voltage or so many times of the using relay. No limit. Insulating film will be destroyed and short circuiting will be kept high temperature. So the color of the coil will be changed and around reason around the coil will move. Chẳng mua được hai cái coil relay khác nữa. Chẳng mình coi được mua được hai phi là mình hai cái coil khác relay đi còn mai những cái coil đi còn cả cái coil á, là trên NO và NC cái trên inputរបស់relay. ចុះមកទី1គឺការប្រើប្រាស់ច្រើនដងក្នុងរយៈពេលដែលមិនចាំបាច់បំផុតគឺយើងមកនៅខាងក្នុងរយៈពេល1ម៉ោងយើងប្រើតែរាប់តែដងក្នុងការវាយគឺជាអ្នកប្រើ sensor. Example like someone using the sensor when someone is already take the second 1 second is too much that makes the short circuiting it will catch the high temperature like this. It will make with the insulating film will be destroyed like this. ចឹងការប្រើរបស់វាគឺយើងគិតពីអាlimitទី1យើងមិនអាចប្រើចឹងបានទេកាលណាយើងប្រើអត់មានណាម limit គឺវាឡាយពិសេសវាទៅវាបែបចឹងណាហើយទី2ទៅតាមទម្រង់មួយដែលយើងគិតថាការឆេះរបស់វាអាចបង្កមកពីការប្រើទលេកំចុងដែលគួរពីការគុំរបស់វាដែលការបើបានអនុម័តទៅលើជើងចូលរបស់វាឧទាហរណ៍ថាជើងចូលគឺវាមិនទៅថយ13 14គឺវាខុសបាន20វ៉ុល1 អំពែ ចឹងការប្រើរបស់វាក៏ពីយើងយកដាក់នៅ24ដែរតែពេលនេះប្រើធំនឹងគឺមកវាដែរហើយហើយជាមួយនឹងការឆេះនេះគឺវាបង្កទៅជាការឡើងកម្ដៅខ្លាំងធ្វើឲ្យមានការសល់សគិតហើយវាផ្លាស់ប្ដូរជើងថយរបស់រីឡេនេះគឺជើង copper នេះគឺទងដែកទៅជា burning out like this burning out ចឹងការប្រើប្រាស់របស់ relay គឺយើងប្រើទី1ឲ្យមានកំណត់ទី2ទៅតាមអ្វីដែលយើងចង់បានហើយយើងត្រូវ select យក relay ណាដែលយើងចង់ការប្រើប្រាស់ចង់តគឺអាច Yes. So the reason of the relay that burning like this will be finished. I will thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and like, share my channel to everyone who understand by electronic engineering knowledge. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.